Welcome to Vskills YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about the top interview questions for WordPress. So, let's get started. Question number 1. What do you understand about WordPress? The answer is: WordPress refers to an open source content management system, CMS, and a blogging tool, based on PHP and MySQL. This is free of cost, and you can use it for any personal and commercial website. Question number 2. What is the ping of death? The answer is: ping of death is a type of denial of service attack in which an attacker attempts to crash, destabilize, or freeze the targeted computer or service by sending malformed or oversized packets using a simple ping command. Question number 3. How can image size be set in WordPress? The answer is: for changing WordPress default image sizes, go to your WordPress admin dashboard. Click on Settings, then Media. In the Media settings, adjust the default image settings to fit your preferences. Click Save Changes to confirm. Question number 4. What is the main functionality of Automatic Akismet plugin? The answer is: Akismet is a service that filters spam from comments, trackbacks, and contact form messages. The filter works by combining information about spam captured on all participating sites, and then using those spam rules to block future spam. Akismet is offered by Automatic, the company behind WordPresscom. Question number 5. Is a website safe on WordPress? The answer is: WordPress is safe and secure for operating, as there is no need for worrying about anything. But, it is recommended to stay updated with your site in the latest WordPress version to avoid hacking. Question number 6. Describe the limitations of the WordPress website. The answer is: WordPress can be used for e-commerce sites, membership sites, photo galleries, and any other type of site. However, some disadvantages include: firstly, using many plugins can make the website heavy to load and run. Secondly, PHP knowledge is necessary for making modifications or changes to the WordPress website. Thirdly, software needs to be updated to keep WordPress up to date with the current browsers and mobile devices. Sometimes updating the WordPress version can result in data loss. Lastly, modifying and formatting the graphic images and tables is difficult. Question number 7. Explain the system requirements for running WordPress. The answer is: the system requirements for running WordPress are: disk space, 1 GB or greater; web server, Apache or Nginx; database, MySQL version 5.0 or greater, or any version of MariaDB; RAM, 512 MB or greater; PHP, version 7.3 or greater; processor, 1.0 GHz or greater. Question number 8. Explain the WordPress installation steps. The answer is: firstly, download WordPress from www.wordpress.org. Secondly, extract the downloaded files and upload them on your web server or local host. Then, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress file path. There you will see the first screen of the WordPress installer. After that, select your preferred language. Then, you will see the information needed for the database before proceeding with the WordPress installation. Now, enter the details of your MySQL database. Then, enter the administration details. After that, click on Install WordPress button. After installing, you will see the username and the password on this screen. Lastly, enter your username and password on the next screen and click Login. Question number 9. Define hooks and their types. The answer is: hooks allow users for creating WordPress themes or plugins with shortcode without changing the original files. However, there are two types of hooks. Firstly, action hooks. This facilitates you to insert an additional code from an outside resource. Secondly, filter hooks. This facilitates you to add content or text at the end of the post. Question number 10. Why there is a use of MySQL in WordPress? The answer is: reasons to use MySQL in WordPress are: firstly, it is open source. Secondly, it is extremely fast. Thirdly, it is a widely available database server. Lastly, it offers low-cost Linux hosting. Question number 11. Differentiate between WordPress posts and pages. The answer is: WordPress posts refer to the content published on a site with an exact date and time. They can be categorized systematically by category and tags. They are listed in reverse chronological order on a website. Whereas, WordPress pages are static and do not frequently change, such as Contact Us, About Us, Privacy Policy. They do not have a publishing date and time. But the database stores their published date and time. Question number 12. Define moderate comments in WordPress. The answer is: this refers to the comments by visitors on a post that are not published directly unless the admin provides it. However, for changing the comment moderation setting, select the Settings option from the dashboard and check the option Comment must be manually approved. Question number 13. What do you understand about WordPress plugins? The answer is: WordPress provides a large variety of plugins for maximum flexibility when it comes to creating a website. You have the option to add spam protection, social networking, complex galleries, calendars, forums, and hundreds of other plugins and features. Question number 14. Explain the types of users' roles in WordPress. The answer is: the type of user roles are administrator role, author role, editor role, subscriber role, contributor role. Question number 15. What are the steps for securing a WordPress site? The answer is: steps for securing a WordPress site are: firstly, using a unique username and password. Secondly, using precautions against brute force. Thirdly, keep the versions, plugins, and themes updated. Next, avoiding viruses and malware. Lastly, using WordPress Security plugins. Question number 16. Suppose I got locked out of WordPress admin and my website is now a blank screen. Why did this happen? The answer is: this can happen if you have pasted the code from a website with the wrong formats. Or another reason can be pasting the code in an incorrect location. And also if your IP is banned. Question number 17. How to build a static page with WordPress? The answer is: for creating a static page in WordPress, in the Page section, firstly, upload a PHP file to the server in the Theme folder. After that, select that as your template. Then, it allows you to add any page and look that you wanted for your blog and it will remain static. Question number 18. Differentiate between WordPress.com and WordPress.org on the basis of security? The answer is: WordPress.com is considered more secure than WordPress.org because they limit the themes and also do not allow installing plugins. However, the security depends on how the hosting company is hosting your website WordPress.org and the steps they are taking for preventing the security problems. Question number 19. Define a child theme. The answer is: the child theme refers to an extension of the parent theme. However, if you make changes to the main or parent theme, any update will undo the changes. Using the child theme, the customizations are preserved on an update. Question number 20. Do deactivated plugins slow down the process of a WordPress site? The answer is: no, deactivated plugins cannot slow down the WordPress site. That is to say, WordPress only loads the active plugins and avoids the deactivated ones. Question number 21. Define template tags. The answer is: a template tag is a PHP function used to generate and display information dynamically. WordPress themes contain different templates and theme developers use template tags to fetch and display dynamic data. WordPress has many built-in template tags that can be used in WordPress themes. Question number 22. What will be the cases in which you do not want your client to use WordPress? The answer is: the cases in which we recommend not to use WordPress are: firstly, if the client is working on a non-CMS based project. Secondly, if a site wants complex or innovative e-commerce. Thirdly, in the case of an enterprise intranet solution. Lastly, sites are requiring custom scripting solutions. Question number 23. Define shortcode in WordPress. The answer is: shortcodes in WordPress refer to the defined codes that enable the developers to do various tasks with minimal effort. They are used for simplifying tasks like creating objects or embedding files that need a lot of coding in a single line. However, a shortcode is synonymous with a shortcut. Further, WordPress has 5 built-in shortcodes: audio, embed, caption, video, and gallery. Question number 24. Define WordPress themes and plugins. The answer is: a theme refers to an external effect of a website's presentation and design, whereas a plugin is an interior effect that adds or removes some functions to a site. However, you can customize some functionality in themes rather than installing the plugin, but plugins can't replace themes. Question number 25, I want to create a contact form in WordPress. Which plugin should I use? The answer is, you can use a plugin like Gravity Forms or a free plugin Contact Form 7 for creating a contact form in WordPress. Question number 26, explain how we can optimize the WordPress site performance. The answer is, optimization expands the speed of your site and gives the best possible outcome. Moreover, it improves the ranking of a website. Some of the ways for optimizing websites are by using CDN, by using a caching plugin, by using a simple theme or framework, keeping site updated, dividing long posts into smaller pages. Question number 27, define meta tags in WordPress. The answer is, meta tags refers to the keyword and descriptions used for displaying website or page information. Question number 28, why backup is important in a WordPress site. The answer is, a backup is just the copy of your original site via which you can restore your original site if there is any failure. Moreover, it is best to keep a backup. Further, a site is generally made up of two parts. One is all the installed themes or plugins, media, and the other is the database that stores all your blogs, posts, and comments. So without files, there is no site, and without the database, there is no data. So, it is important to take backup. Question number 29. Define permalink in WordPress. The answer is, permalinks can be considered as the permanent full URLs to your website blog posts and pages, including tag archives and categories. This is the web address used for linking to your content. However, WordPress allows us to create a custom URL structure for your permalinks and archives. This helps in improving the usability and forward compatibility of your website's links. Question number 30. Define GNU. The answer is, GNU is a General Public License, GPL. This comes with some terms and conditions for copying, modifying, and distributing the software licensed under its name. GNU ensures that any software source code licensed under it has to make originating source code open and freely available to all its users. However, freely here means that it is freely available to users for distributing and modifying the code. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.